Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that often arises when working with C++ lambdas. The problem we're tackling involves understanding why the first capture on PF, an L-value reference, is not allowed, while the second capture on PF2 is permitted. It's a puzzling situation that can leave many scratching their heads, so let's break it down together. Now, let's talk about the solution to this tricky problem. The key here lies in the nature of our values and L values. As we discussed earlier, you cannot assign an R value to a non-const reference, even outside the context of a lambda. When trying to capture an expression like 10*z, the result is an R value, which cannot be assigned to the non-const variable z. On the other hand, capturing the variable z itself, an L value, is perfectly valid within the lambda expression. Understanding this distinction is crucial in resolving the error message thrown by the compiler. In summary, when working with C++ lambdas, it's essential to grasp the differences between L values and R values to avoid compilation errors and unexpected behavior. By ensuring that assignments to references are valid and consistent with the nature of the variables being captured, you can navigate these lambda intricacies with confidence. I hope this explanation has shed some light on the question you had regarding C++ lambdas. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding, and see you next time.